Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Raula Dalhanan binti Salkapri. Today I will present for the subject HTH666 Hospitality Human Resource Management. The topic of my presentation is about a training program on handling guest complaint. What is handling guest complaints? Handling guest complaint is the process where hospitality staff respond to manage and solve issues raised by guests during their stay. These complaints may involve room problems, delayed service, wrong bookings, noise or poor communication. This skills is very important because the way staff handle complaints can affect guest satisfaction, guest loyalty, and the hotel's reputation. If a complaint is handled badly, the guest may feel disappointed. However, if the staff listen carefully, apologize sincerely, and provide a solution, the guest may still have a positive impression of the hotel. Our training the objective of this training are to help participants understand the importance of guest complaints and identify common types of complaints in the hotel. This training also helps participants demonstrate professional communication skill such as using polite language, showing empathy, and maintaining a calm tone. Besides that, participants will learn how to apply proper complaint handling procedures and solve guest issue quickly and effectively. At the end of the training, participants shall be able to recognize the difference between correct and incorrect complaint handling behaviors. This slide shows the overall training plan for the program. The training plan includes several important elements such as the facilitator, venue, number of participants, duration and scheduling, training method, logistic, and budget. Each element is important to make sure the training is well organized. For example, the facilitator guides the participants, the venue provides a suitable learning environment, and the training methods help participants learn through both theory and practice. With a proper training plan, the program can run smoothly and achieve its objective. For this program, the facilitator is Raudatul Hanan. The facilitator is responsible for managing and guiding the training from beginning until the end. The facilitator will explain the topic, conduct the lecture session, demonstrate the correct way to handle guest complaint, and guide participants during activities. The facilitator will also observe the participants during role play and give feedback to help them improve. This is important because participants need guidance to build their confidence and communication skill. The venue selected for this training is Hotel UiTM Puncak Alam. There are three main areas used in this training, which are the hotel lobby, conference room, and staff cafeteria. The conference room will be used for the lecture, demonstration, role play, group discussion, Q&A, and evaluation session. The hotel lobby will be used for the hotel or department tour because it is related to the real front office environment. The staff cafeteria will be used for lunch break. These venues are suitable because they allow participants to learn in an environment that is related to hotel operations. This slide shows the duration and schedule of the program. The training starts at 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. It begins with registration and ice breaking, followed by a short morning break. After that, participants will attend the lecture session, demonstration session, and role play session. After lunch, the program continues with group discussion, Q&A session, and hotel or department tour. Finally, the program ends with evaluation and closing. The schedule is arranged step by step so that participants can first understand the theory, then observe examples, and finally practice through activities. This makes the learning process more complete and effective. The number of participants for this training is 15 participants. This number is suitable because it allows the facilitator to manage the session effectively. It is not too many, so every participant can join the activities and receive attention from the facilitator. With 15 participants, the role play and group discussion can be conducted more smoothly. Participants can practice handling guest complaints, share their opinions, and learn from each other. This makes the training more interactive and effective. Training methods. We use 5 methods, which are lecture method, demonstration method, role play method, group discussion, and quiz method. This lecture method is used to explain the basic knowledge and theory about guest complaint. The demonstration method allows participants to observe the correct way to handle complaints. The role play method give participants the chance to practice real situations such as dealing with an angry guest or solving a service problem. Group discussion allows participants to share ideas and experience. Lastly, the quiz method is used to test their understanding after the training. These methods are suitable because complaint handling requires both knowledge and practice. This slide shows the logistic needed for the training program. The item include laptop, projector, whiteboard marker, printed handouts, pen, feedback forms, name tag, uniform, and mineral water. Each item has its own purpose. For example, the laptop and projector are used for presentation. Printed handouts help participants follow the session and take notes. Pens are used for writing and completing the feedback form. Name tags help participants and facilitators communicate more easily. Uniforms are also important because they help create a professional hotel training environment. Mineral water is provided to make sure participants stay comfortable throughout the program. This slide shows the estimated budget for the training program. The budget includes RM50 for printed materials, RM30 for stationery, RM120 for snack and drinks, RM150 for food, lunch and break, and 100 for miscellaneous item. The total budget is 450. Preparing a budget is important because it helps the organizer control the cost and avoid overspending. It also ensures that all important needs for the training are prepared properly. A clear budget makes the program more organized and professional. Now, we move to the training video section. In this section, we will show examples of guest complaint situations that commonly happen in hotels. The purpose of this video is to help participants understand how to apply the theory in real life situation. The training video focuses on three complaint scenarios. The first scenario is delay check-in. This happens when a guest arrives at the hotel but the room is not ready yet. This situation can make guests feel frustrated, especially if they are tired from traveling. The second scenario is noisy room complaint. This happens when a guest cannot rest properly because of noise from nearby rooms, construction, or hotel facilities. The third scenario is wrong food room service order. This happens when the guest receives the wrong food, missing items, or delay room service. In each scenario, the video will show the correct and incorrect ways to handle the complaint. This is important because participants can clearly see what should be done and what should be avoided. For example, staff should not argue with the guests, blame other departments, or ignore the complaint. Instead, staff should listen carefully, apologize politely, and offer a suitable solution. Through this video, participants can learn in more practical and realistic way. This will help them become more confident when facing real guest complaints in the future.
Hello everyone. This training video demonstrates the correct and incorrect ways for front office staff to handle guest complaints professionally in a hotel environment.
Excuse me, I've been waiting for my room for 30 minutes. Why my room is not ready yet?
I sincerely apologize for the delay, Miss. Let me check your room status immediately.
Alright.
Thank you for your patience. Your room will be ready in 10 minutes. Please have a seat first while we prepare it for you.
Excuse me, I've been waiting for 30 minutes. Why is my room still not ready?
It's not your fault. Housekeeping slow today.
That's unacceptable.
You just need to wait.
My room is very noisy. I cannot sleep.
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience, madam. Let me see what we can do for you.
Okay.
We can move you to a quieter room on another floor. Will that be alright?
Yes, they will be alright. My room is very noisy. I cannot sleep.
There's nothing we can do. The hotel is full.
This service is terrible.
You can complain to the manager tomorrow.
Hi, I ordered vegetarian food, but this is not my order.
I sincerely apologize for the mistake, madam.
Alright.
I will replace your order immediately. It will take around 10 minutes. Thank you for your patience.
Alright. I ordered vegetarian food, but this is not my order.
That's what the kitchen prepare.
But I clearly told your staff earlier.
You just need to wait again.
This slide shows the training evaluation form. The purpose of this form is to collect feedback from the participants after the training. Participants can rate different aspects of the program, such as whether the objective, whether the activities encourage participation, whether the materials were helpful, and whether the facilities were comfortable. This evaluation is important because it helps the organizer measure the effectiveness of the training. It also helps identify what can be improved for future training programs.